Hey, this is Dr. Willie Jolley, and today I want to share another strategy to help you through these challenging times. Today I want to share a lesson from the life of Dr. Viktor Frankl, who was the author of the landmark book, Man's Search for Meaning. Dr. Frankl was a successful neurologist in Austria, and in 1942, one night the Nazis came in and took him and his family from their home and took them to concentration camps. Over the next 3 years, he went through one ordeal after another, including the deaths of his wife and his parents. Yet he developed a mindset that helped him through those challenging times and can help us in this time. He developed an attitude that has helped millions to overcome tough times. He wrote that everything can be taken from a man or a woman but one thing, the last human freedom, to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances, to choose one's own way. During this challenging time, I want you to choose your way, your attitude, and stay positive. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Make the most of every minute because your best is yet to come.